Samsung is on the brink of unveiling its latest smartphone, the Galaxy F55, positioned as a premium mid-range device. Substantial details have already surfaced, with ongoing leaks expected before the official launch. A recent leak from Mismar Price reveals clear images and a 360-degree video showcasing the F55's design, notably resembling the Galaxy A54 but with a key difference: the flat shape of the phone's frame reminiscent of the upcoming Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. While speculation surrounds the possibility of a metal frame, the recent leak does not confirm this aspect. The images depict slimmer borders around the screen compared to the A54, although the actual size may vary. Additionally, the Galaxy F55's hardware standout feature is Samsung's Exynos GPUs built on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, signaling a significant change for a mid-range Samsung phone. Optimism surrounds the performance of the Exynos 1480 chip, aiming for enhanced capabilities in the Galaxy F55 compared to its predecessor, the A54. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy F35 and F55 in the comments. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Peace out.